after the financial crisis, and we have seen some pretty significant restructuring of your industry, financial services. What are you seeing in this new landscape, and what's the path that you're pursuing?
Well, first of all, I think over that period of time, a lot's been done to make the market safer and sounder. There's no question. So there's been a tremendous amount done by the industry and the regulators, so a lot's been accomplished. We've probably been at Credit Suisse in the forefront of that, partly because the Swiss regulator has been in the forefront of the requirements on the capital side, liquidity side, et cetera. So we've actually just completed and went fully on Basel III as of January 1st of this year. So we've been operating on the full
How does
Basel
it feel?
Well, you know, the good news is it actually can work. So, you know, our first quarter, we had a 16% return on equity overall. We actually had a 23% return on equity in our investment bank. And, you know, it was only about a year ago that lots of analysts were saying under Basel III, investment banks were going to make single-digit returns on equity. So it's actually working and working pretty well. It was a difficult transition to get there. It took a lot of hard work, and there was a lot that needed to be done. But we feel like actually we've got a business model that works and works extremely well under that, on that basis.
Now, just pausing on Basel III for 1 second. Should that be good news for the other bank CEOs who maybe are a little more hesitant when it comes to Basel III, or are you saying it's sort of safe to go into the water?
Well, I think it actually is encouraging in that you can have a business model that works and works well. So I think we've actually shown that. We've obviously got to show that, the consistency around that, but we've actually shown that. But it does take a lot of transformation of the business model. I mean, you know, we basically cut our risk-weighted assets in half. We've made some very dramatic changes to the business model, and so it obviously takes a lot of hard work to get there. But yeah, I think the good news is that actually under Basel III you can have a bank and in fact an investment bank that actually can perform well and deliver high returns to shareholders. So we think that's actually an encouraging sign.